how to add music to Messenger story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add music to your Messenger story. So without further ado, let's get started. So first open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the app, simply tap on the stories option shown in the bottom center of the screen. And once you are in your story section, simply tap on your story at the top of the screen and select either a photo, video, or a black background for your story. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the music icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now browse or search for a song that you like. And once you have found the song, simply tap on the song to preview it and adjust the part of the track that you want to play. And once you're done with that, simply tap on done and that's it. That's how you can add music to your Messenger story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.